Good afternoon, everybody. It's time for another shave, and for today's shave, I'm gonna be using Macduff Jukebox in collaboration with the Razor Company. This is a cream soda base. I think it was called cream soda before. He changed I think Sean is his name. He changed the label. It smells nice and exactly what I need for this freaking hot weather. Of course, I'm gonna be using the matching toner because Macduff uses toners. He doesn't do the alcohol splash. For the brush, I'm gonna be using my Grizzly Bay Blacktop Chaos G5C knot, already loaded on my matching Cadwin Mermaid. Look at that lather, beautiful little bubbles. But anyway, I'm gonna work it on my face anyway, so don't worry about it. Now for the razor for today, fresh from the mailbox, is the Merkur. This is the 1896 edition, stainless steel. Merkur 34 Inox is the name. This is a injection mold 34C pretty much. Although I believe I think GeoFatBoy, he mentioned that they changed the gap. I think this is a 0.7 when the 34C is a 68 or something, or 60. Also, as you can see, it has a slit on the base plate instead of the pins, and it has the lather drains or channels. It has three mini slots instead of the long one. Also, the blade taps are covered, and it's in a satin bead blast finish. Pretty grippy actually. Looks pretty cool. Has some branding over there. Has a lot of branding actually. Looks pretty nice. Feels great in the hand. That's what she said. For blade, I'm gonna be using the Tatra that I used yesterday, and see if I destroy my face. We'll see. We'll see. Macduff is a pretty good soap. I enjoy his soaps. I tried something different making the lather, trying to replicate face lathering on a bowl. So as you can see, it's not that puffy. It looks more low profile, creamy, at least compared to yesterday's one. Let's see how it goes. And as you can hear, the AC is going wild because obviously it's late and it's super hot. It's like 95 degrees and with a feeling of 108 or something like that. Stupid. Look at that. If I can manage the blade, should be a nice, easy shave. Eventually I will have to compare to the 34C. I forgot to weigh it. That's what I forgot. But yeah, happy with the lather. Looks very low profile. A little bit thin, but looks pretty low profile. Hopefully it performs. Reach it. If not, you're gonna see it on my face. All right, let's go. Let's see how it feels. See, should be mine. Hmm. Very mild. Like my friend says, bloops. Happy birthday, Chris. I told you yesterday, but I'm gonna say it and again anyway. Very mild. Very similar to the chrome plate. To the chrome plated. No, I wanted this razor because I enjoyed the 34C so much. This is an easy daily driver. And the weight is not really that bad. Actually, it's fairly light for stainless steel. It's short handle, so it's pretty much almost the same as the 34C, but obviously in stainless steel instead of. I would have loved that it were CNC machine instead of injection mold, especially for the price, because as far as I know, the Mula R89 seems to be CNC. I don't see the injection ports where they injected the steel on the mold or on the plate. So far, pretty good. Tatra blade, I don't know. Seems to be working so far. Against the grain is where I gotta notice. But these are very mild razors, so it's not my usual razors. Look at that. Looking beautiful. Let's see how it goes against the grain. Very smooth. Very nice so far. So far so good. Performing very well. Very, very well. I got the razor from Shave Nation, Geo Fat Boy store. Because I missed it the first time that it dropped. I don't know if it was available the first drop on the US, but I found it. And I kind of want it. You know, curiosity. I'm surprised I make myself so much under the shin. But yeah, pretty good so far. Now, like I was saying, I got it from Geo Fatboy, and he included a keychain that I left. I think I put it inside the bag again. The box. A pretty cool keychain in the shape of a double-edged blade. Looks pretty cool. That was a nice touch. I know it's a keychain, nothing wow my god, but still pretty cool. To help with the addiction. Still looking well hydrated. Very well hydrated. go. I have a little soap on the hands and still gripping fairly well. Even with the finish that is kind of like a bit blasted, feels pretty smooth on the skin. Tasting soap. I haven't done much this today. Cleaning. When I went to Harbor Freight to buy a steam cleaner that they had a parking lot sale for $24. There's some stains on the couches that I want to remove. Also works for the cars and other stuff. And like, for that price, I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it. Seems to have pretty good reviews, so. Something fell in my eye. Now, can I tell if it feels more aggressive than this 34C? From the top of my head? Not really. Man, something fell in my eye. It's driving me nuts. Oh God, I cannot stretch my skin. Whatever. Anyway, it's gonna come out anyway eventually. Feels pretty good. Really liking it. This is the hardest area for me because of all the loose skin. I don't feel that I'm hanging on the skin so firm. If I see blood, then I know. See a lot of nicks on my gobbler area. I probably use too much pressure. Knowing myself, probably. Or the blade. Because like I mentioned, that blade doesn't work for me more than one shade, but I want to try it. Because the thing is, it feels, at least now it felt smooth. If I don't need my mustache, yeah, I didn't clean it well. Yeah, feels pretty well. Gotta give it a go with another blade and see. But it performed well. Feels pretty mild, like the 34C. I cannot tell you if it is more aggressive or not, but it definitely felt milder than the Demula and the Edwin Jagger. So definitely is close to the original in that matter. That thing still bothering me. An eyelash. Yeah, a couple of nicks or weepers on the neck. Yeah, nothing new. So far, it was a great shave so far. I have to see how my skin is feeling after it gets some rest, after the shave and all that. We'll see. But I think the Tatras is gonna still be one and done for me. Or I give it to Chris. It's like a cherry cream soda. Now it's missing a little bit of menthol. I should have. I had the menthol drops there and I didn't add it. Would have make it better. Yeah. Well, that was a great shave. I'm still waiting for, well, I have a couple of packages on the way for next week. I was hoping to get another brush that I've been waiting for it for almost a month, but USPS doesn't want to deliver it for some reason. I don't know. But anyway, thank you for watching as always. Hope you have a wonderful weekend, and I guess I'll see you on the next shave.